guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best USB-C to Lightning cables. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options with every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the USB-C to Lightning cables in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best USB-C to Lightning cables on the market right now. Coming at number 8, we've got the Apple USB-C to Lightning cable. Length 1 meter, 3.3 feet. Warranty 1 year. Other compact housings. Apple's own USB-C to Lightning cable is the best option for older iPhone users who are looking for faster charging speeds, but prefer to use original accessories. The product is tailor-made for speedy USB-C power adapters, including Apple's own. Depending on your needs, you can choose between 1 and 2 meter variants of the cable. Coming at number 7, Native Union Belt USB-C to Lightning cable. Length 4 feet. Warranty lifetime. Other integrated leather strap. You'll be hard-pressed to find a more elegant USB-C to Lightning cable than the Native Union Belt. The accessory's impressively durable DuPont Kevlar exterior is available in several eye-catching finishes. Each belt cable has a unique, genuine leather strap, hence the product's name, for managing its length as well as storing it. The product also has an excellent lifetime warranty. Number 6. UGREEN 90-degree USB-C to Lightning cable. Length 6 feet. Warranty 2 years. Other 90-degree Lightning connector. This affordable USB-C to Lightning cable by UGREEN sets itself apart by rocking a right-angled Lightning connector. It will allow you to interact with your iPhone while charging it more seamlessly, especially while gaming and watching video in landscape mode. UGREEN has equipped the cable with a braided nylon exterior that's tangle-resistant and durable. The accessory's stylish alloy housing gives it an upscale look and excellent tactility. Coming in at number 5, Hitachi USB-C to Lightning cable. Length 10 inches. Warranty 1 year. Other aluminum housings. This USB-C to Lightning by Hitachi is great to use on the go with a battery pack. Unlike a longer cable, it will allow you to seamlessly interact with your iPhone while holding a compact power bank. The clutterless accessory is also great for connecting your phone to a notebook in a coffee shop or on a desk. We like the cable's braided exterior and sleek aluminum housing. The latter's space gray finish makes them a perfect match for a MacBook or a USB-C toting iPad. Hitachi offers a longer 6-foot version of the product too. Coming at number 4, ANKER POWERLINE Plus 3 Special Edition USB-C to Lightning cable. Length 6 feet. Warranty lifetime. Other gold-plated housings. This USB-C to Lightning cable by ANKER is the most luxurious of its kind. It's the one to get if you're dropping big money on a new, top-spec iPhone. The accessory has a housing that has been plated in 24-karat gold. Its 51-step manufacturing process includes partial assembly by hand. It is more versatile than a standard iPhone cable too. The cable's retail box is also quite impressive. The gift-worthy box has an elegant matte black finish with gold accents, along with a cool case for storing the cable. Number 3. Amazon Basics Advanced Double-Braided Nylon USB-C to Lightning cable. Length 6 feet. Warranty lifetime. Other textured connector grooves. Priced well below $20, this USB-C to Lightning cable by Amazon Basics has a double-braided nylon exterior, which, in addition to preventing tangles, makes it look like a pricier product. The accessory is more versatile than the cable that comes bundled with your iPhone too. You can order it in gray, silver, and rose gold. Amazon also offers shorter variants of the cable that are 1 foot and 3 feet long. You can also opt for a similarly priced Amazon Basics USB-C to Lightning cable with a more utilitarian build that doesn't include a fabric cable cover. Coming at number 2, BELKIN BOOSTCHARGE Pro Flex USB-C to Lightning cable. Length 6.6 feet, warranty 5 years, other cable strap with magnetic clip. The BOOSTCHARGE Pro Flex USB-C to Lightning cable by BELKIN is another excellent option for rapidly charging your Apple gadgets. The slightly longer accessory has an ultra-tough double-braided nylon exterior that's BELKIN's most durable to date. We love the cable's built-in strap with a magnetic clip and metal plate. BELKIN backs its creation with a robust 5-year warranty. You can order the cable in several colors, and a longer 10-foot version is also available. Number 1. ANKER 641 USB-C to Lightning cable. Length 6 feet. Warranty 18 months. Other bundled cable tie. The colorful ANKER 641 is the best third-party USB-C to Lightning cable worth your attention. It is longer and way more versatile than the cable that comes bundled with your iPhone. With a silica gel exterior and an interior with a graphene coating, the accessory is also incredibly durable. According to its maker, it can withstand 25,000 bends and 220 pounds of weight. Its soft feel finish has excellent tactility too. You can order the cable in many colors, and each option sports connector housing with stylish gold bits. ANKER also offers a shorter 3-foot version for use on a desk, with a car charger, or with a battery pack. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best USB-C to Lightning cables. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.